Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today here I am going to explain the next property, that means hardness and transparency. We have already started the new common properties used for grouping. So here you have given hardness and transparency. Hardness means hard and soft, and transparency means transparent, translucent and opaque. So let's go for study. Here point is hardness. A materials such as clay that gets compressed or deformed easily with light pressure. Light pressure means very less pressure are called soft materials. Compressed or deformed means when particles are deformed easily with light pressure are called soft materials, whereas materials like pebbles, stones, wood, rocks are hard and cannot be compressed or deformed easily. The particles that cannot be deformed easily with light pressure, such materials are called hard materials. You can see here rock and clay. Rock is hard material, whereas clay is soft. Why? Because clay are deformed easily, whereas rocks are not deformed easily. Okay. So you can also scratch another surface using such hard materials. For example, if you have a compass and you drag its pointed end on a hard wooden table, the table surface will get scratched. Okay, but the hardness or softness of a material is a very relative concept. Something that is hard when compared to one thing may be soft when compared to another thing. It means all materials are not soft or not maybe hard, but material is a very relative concept. For example, wood is harder than clay, but an iron nail is harder than wood. Okay, here wood is harder than clay, but iron nail is harder than wood. Okay, now next point is transparency. Transparency means able to be viewed using a projector. That means we can see clearly through object when allow light to pass through them. Okay, so different materials allow light to pass through them in different amounts. Depending upon the amount of light that can pass through an object, we can see through that object completely, partially, or not at all. That means some objects can be seen completely and some object can be seen partially, means not completely, and third, not at all. Objects are not seen at all. Okay, so we can see clearly through objects that allow light to pass through them completely. Such objects are called transparent objects. For example, clear glass, clear plastic, clear cellophane paper, clear water. Whereas we can partially see through objects that allow only some light to pass through them. Such objects are called translucent. Translucent means objects that allow only some light to pass through them, we can see partially, means not completely. Example of translucent: windows, butter paper, plastic sheet, etc. And last, opaque object. Opaque means we cannot see through objects that do not allow light to pass through them. Such objects are called opaque. Opaque means we cannot see through objects that do not allow light to pass through them. Example of opaque object: wood, opaque plastic, milk, etc. Okay. So I think you should write all difficult words of this topic and learn properly. Okay. And I hope you will understand well this shift speak. And please note down all difficult words and learn properly. Thank you.